Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. Friends, we have come to our AC. Before doing AC service, check it properly by turning on the AC, then turn off the main supply of AC and start opening the AC. First of all, open the front cover of AC and take out the filter net of AC. After this, take out the swing flap with light hands. Keep in mind that the swing flap is very delicate. Now we will open all the 3 locks and all 3 screws of the main cover. All the 3 screws of the cover are fully loosened. Now lift the cover up from the bottom and take it out. Now there are 2 screws on the drain assembly. Now those 2 screws will be loosened with a screwdriver. Now by removing the lock of the drain assembly with light hands, we will take out the drain assembly. And detach the water pipe from the drain assembly. Now by unscrewing 2 screws from the swing motor, separate the swing motor from the drain assembly. And now take out the drain assembly. Now note that you will cover the power circuit board well with polythene or plastic so that the PCB and motor do not get water. After that you put the washing cover in AC. Apply waterproof cover properly so that water does not fall down while washing AC. After that, you should put the waste pipe coming out of the waterproof cover in the empty bucket below so that the dirty water of AC gets collected in that bucket. Now start your jet pump pressure washer with blower and clean thoroughly till all the dirt is gone. Now you start cleaning the cooling coil with jet pump pressure. Pay attention to the water pressure. More pressure can damage your cooling coil. You must get your AC serviced with a jet pump. This will make your AC work well and your AC will work like a new AC and your electricity bill will also come down. You can see all the plastic parts of AC are out. We'll wash all these plastic parts. If you want, you can clean the plastic cover with a jet pump or you can clean it with normal pressure as you find easier. Wet the plastic cover before washing the cover. Now with the help of washing powder and brush, wash all the covers of the AC. You can easily clean the corners of the plastic cover with a brush. Now wash the surf water in the cover with clean water. You wash the rest of the cover in the same way.
Now wipe all the plastic covers with a dry cotton cloth, making sure that the water in the AC cover dries up completely.
Now take out the plastic or polythene attached to the power circuit board. And also wipe the indoor unit with a dry cloth. Now you will see that as I had opened the cover, now we will apply the cover step by step. Now fit the swing motor back to the drain assembly. Now attach the drain pipe to the drain assembly. Now put the drain assembly back in its place and put both its screws in place. Now before putting the cover, note that there are 3 locks on the top of the cover. First you put this lock on top and then set the cover. After this, tighten all the 3 screws of this cover and also put the plastic cover cap on top of the screw. Now you carefully put the swing flap. Now you put the filter net and front cover. Now I will tell you that the way the indoor unit of AC needs to be cleaned, in the same way it is necessary to clean the outdoor unit as well. Make sure to clean the outdoor unit of AC. Dust is not visible in it but dust is accumulated. If your AC is not cooling, then clean the outdoor unit of AC with jet pressure. Keep in mind that water should not enter your outdoor fan motor. I am washing it because there is no space behind the AC to pour water. If you get the jet pump cleaned, then your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also be very useful. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.